All right, 2985, we've got that in, and we're at...
So right now, is our flight plan going direct to slow?
Hold on, this is working as well. No.
Going to slow, go into flight plan.
Right.
Highlight.
Highlight,
And
then
then
do
direct enter, enter.
Got
Good. Good.
Go out. Oops, wrong way. Alright, so where are we
It's a
at?
quick
That's
one.
fine. Yes, it's fine. Okay, so back here, we're good, and then we're gonna switch this back to all limited. That's that. We're gonna go 5. What did I say before? 5.5 maybe? Oh no, 6.5 again. We'll take a peek.
So between here and slow,
Yeah.
there's no real mountains. It's all lower terrain,
I don't
green. You can see
Oops.
here.
Yep.
Look here. See the mountains?
So 5.5.
That's what mountains look like.
4.5.
Yeah, 4.5 would be, because it's a quick flight.
See, I thought 4.5 initially. Oh, but we were going over the hump here.
But do you see what I mean?
Yep.
What mountains look like?
No, I know. Before I had the flight plan to 6.5, but we were coming from SBA, so it's different.
Gotcha, yeah, because these mountains. Yep, correct.
Yeah.
Exactly.
All right, 4,500. That to go, that to go, that to go. Good, good, good. Let's go ahead and load our weather 132. Right, nope, that's SBA. Weather 120. And we are not going to get flight following. It's extra work. 120.6, tower is 124.0. Keep going, and 8 is 126, 0.6, and ground is 121.6. Weather, and 122.8 here, and we have 124.0 there. Okay. We're going to do a short field takeoff from runway 26.
Yeah, we could do that.
Sure, it's 26, and then we will do a right crosswind departure after we do the noise abatement procedure. So noise abatement procedure is a fly heading 210, it's already bugged, up to 1,700 before turning.
Yeah, which is 1,000 feet over the ground, because we're currently at like 1,700.
1,700.
Yep.
Oh, MSL, gotcha.
Yep.
All right, so, okay, any questions?
No questions. If we lose an engine, lots of fields. Biggest thing is just push that nose over. Excellent. Good.
All right, air conditioning to go.
Let's add a little bit of mixture.
A little bit of mixture.
Good. Take it away. Good work. Take us to slow. Jenny, you see the blue light? There you go.
I don't like this thing at all. I don't like it.
Why don't you like it?
I don't know, it's annoying all of a sudden. All right, flaps
What's
tap,
annoying, the
please.
air conditioning?
Yes. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the air conditioning, but it's a little bit annoying with that little light because there's no notch or anything there. So
you just need to make sure that line is on the snowflake.
Right. Okay. Okay, so nobody's coming on final, so Santa Ana's traffic.
Take us to slow.
Cirrus 514 Sierra Romeo is taking runway 26 for a right crosswind departure. Santa Ana's traffic.
Good work.
Okay, we'll use all our available runway.
Cool. And when you say short field, what speed will you pitch up for?
70 to 78.
78. Excellent.
All right, so boom, and then so we're gonna go ahead. Mixture's good. Snowflakes on. Power's coming up. And in the green, and go. Airspeed is alive. Full power. She's rich. Watch out. Oh, yeah. Birdie.
Birdie.
Birdie. And fly, baby. There we go. 78. We're going to pitch all the way up.
Yeah, you'll see with 78, it's really steep.
There we go.
Nice.
78. All right. And we're going to turn heading 210.
Good. Now you can lower the nose.
Lower the nose.
Accelerate towards VY.
And once we hit 90, flaps coming up.
Yeah, but 210. You wanted 210 on the heading?
210 on the heading.
There you are.
And here we go. 90 knots, flaps coming up.
Cool. And we got 100 feet to go on the 210. And then we could go direct enter, turn, keep that needle centered. There she is. Excellent.
San Diego's traffic, Sirius 5140 Romeo is turning right crosswind, departing to the north. San Diego's.
Beautiful.
And we're going to keep our climb going. Okay,
Direct enter.
Direct enter.
Wings level. Good. There we go.
Alright. Alright, 2,300 for 4,500.
Good. How many minutes from now we'll be there?
Right now, we'll be there in 26 minutes.
Could we believe that?
No, because we're going to climb.
Good. Solid. Good understanding. In reality, it'll probably be 20 minutes.
Right.
Good work. Let's zoom out a touch on the map. Excellent.
Alright. Back to smidge is good. And we got wind coming there. 3,000 for 4,500.
Beautiful. Jenny, you're a great pilot.
Funny.
I wish I was as good as you were at your age.
Yeah, thanks. That's a lot, buddy.
At your age, I was just all over the place.
Oh my god. 3,500 for 4,500. Alright, good green. Can you fix this north up again?
Click the location thing.
This one?
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, thanks. That was
Yep.
it? Alright, so 3,000, that is that. We're good. Here's Space Rise Santa Maria. Santa Maria is 2,800, so we're fine over that. Alright, getting up there.
700 feet to go. And you could go at 75% power at cruise.
Okay. Alright, 4,200. Okay, 100 feet to go.
Nice job on the crosswind. You see that? 25 knots off the right. You really need to point into it to keep that needle centered.
Okay, airspeed's increasing. And 75% is happening.
Good. Now, if we were wrong on the 45 and there were actually mountains here, guess what? You would show up to 45 and say, nah, let's go up to 65. Right. And you could just go to 65. You could adjust your altitude on the fly.
Heading altitude. Heading altitude, keeping it there. Actually, we couldn't have nav.
Yep, and it will always be altitude vertical speed. Otherwise, if you hit altitude, it will readjust that pre-select to whatever you were at. So now hit both, just like that. Good.
Alright, so gas gauges, I'm going to leave it. Actually, I'm going to switch, so fuel flow is 18.7. Get rid of 18.7.
Good. Now let's go to 1500 on the EGTs when you lean in.
Yep. Is that just because it's so hot?
Just 1500 is still rich a peak. You just want to make sure you're leaning it. We're just too rich right now.
Got it.
Yeah. 1600 is kind of like the peak. That's when you start coming down the mountain. So 1500 is still great power. There you go.
Alright, gas gauges. Now we're 15 minutes,
good.
So we're good. So now I'm just gonna leave the fuel and I'm gonna leave the boost on. And then we're gonna grab our ATIS.
Why do you want to leave the boost on?
for,
San Luis Airport information, November 1856, Zulu weather.
Vapor?
Wind
Yeah.
calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 27, 2.13, altimeter 29er, 85. Visual approach in use, landing runway 29er.
29er
Advise
in
on
use.
initial contact, you have November.
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 285, 285.
San Luis Airport information, November 1856, Zulu weather. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 27, 2.13, altimeter 29er, 85.
Alright, so that's boring.
Visual approach in use, landing runway.
Alright, 2420 is tower. See what's happening.
Good. So what type of entry or...
Straight in.
Good. That's what we could most likely expect.
Got
They
it.
might tell us something else. It's a towered airport. But that's what we will most likely receive.
Got it. It's just doing as gas gauge is on a carriage mixture. Snowflake is on. That's good. GPS out. Good. Good. So we are 13 minutes and 35 miles.
Yep.
So we'll call them
See that airport there? The runway?
Santa Maria.
Excellent. Good.
And we're coming from southeast. So we are
Let's
6
do this.
minutes.
Turn your iPad off.
Okay, I was just trying to get because this is taking us to Cavally now.
It's all good. Let me know when you see the airport. And there's Oceano. You see the Oceano, that small runway over there?
Yep.
That's Oceano right there.
Okay.
Oceano. I want you to gauge your descent on sight picture.
Okay, I think I see it.
Just play it all by ear.
I think I see it.
I want you to be a pilot who could operate with not knowing every single detail.
Okay. So should I give him a call or too early?
We could give them a call, and we could say everything could be approximate. About how many miles to the southeast are you?
What about 11?
Done.
And this is San Luis Tower?
San Luis, yeah.
San Luis Tower?
Yep.
And San Luis Tower, Cirrus 5140, Romeo is about 11 miles to the southeast. Full stop with November.
Cirrus 5478, San Luis Grand Roger.
Wow.
November 40, Romeo, San Luis Tower, make straight in runway 29, report 4 mile final.
I think that was us.
Was that for 5140 Romeo?
Sorry, ma'am, confirm your call sign?
It's November 5140 Romeo.
November 514 Sierra, Romeo, San Luis Tower, make straight in runway 29, report 4 mile final.
Straight in 29er, we'll report 4 mile final, 5140 Romeo.
Good. Let me know when you see the
I
airport.
got it.
Cool.
So now I can,
You don't have to disconnect any autopilot. If you want to begin a descent, how would you do that?
I would just lower this.
Cool.
Descent. Go.
Cessna 7 Tango Foxtrot, safe parking.
ACI,
Good.
7 Tango Foxtrot.
Number 7 Tango Foxtrot, taxi via Alpha to ACI.
Taxi via Alpha to ACI.
That doesn't sound very
Foxtrot.
friendly, does he?
Now here, yeah, here.
773, runway
I had a
29
nasty
for land.
controller out of here one time.
Clear to land, runway 29er for 773.
But I thought he was nice. He
Okay.
said, ma'am.
He did call me ma'am.
I don't even call you ma'am.
Yeah, it was kind of weird, but okay.
Sorry, ma'am. Confirm your tail number.
Yes, the gauges. Okay. Good, good, good.
Good. Class deltas extend how far out from the runway?
Is it 20?
About 4 miles.
4 miles, I'm sorry, not 20.
So
I
he
knew
said
that.
report a 4 mile final.
Right, so in here. And
Excellent.
actually on here, I just did some, I want to see, I know you said to turn off, but I want to see what it looks like, because I loaded 4, 2, and 10 on here too.
So 6 for Golf, Roger.
Good. Does that make sense when we'll say 4 mile final?
Yeah.
Excellent. Easy enough. And if they ever ask for 3, I don't know, just about 10 seconds after I enter it, that's about 3. If they ever ask for 2, I don't know, halfway between the airport and that class delta. Everything's approximate is fine.
Okay.
We're not solving cancer.
I'm going to power back a little bit more. Make sure it's not a little bit rich.
Good. How's our range looking on the map?
You want to go in one more?
1 tick, that's good. And in a little bit, we'll go 1 more tick to 10. So the idea is you want to depart with 10 range, and you want to land with 10. You can feel the heat.
The approach is not active. Okay.
That's San Luis Tower 790 Whiskey is at the run up for 29. We're ready to go. Flight right departure, please.
7190 Victor, hold short runway 29 landing traffic.
7190 Whiskey, holding short 29.
I'm going to take it off
Runway
auto.
90 Whiskey, roger.
Tower station 9 Vic, Golf Charlie inbound.
Station 958 Golf Charlie, San Luis Tower in the right base. Runway
And we're gonna
29
enter.
report turning
Go
final.
power idle.
Base 29 will report the final.
And we're going to report in just a second.
I'd zoom one in on the map. Good. I'd keep the power at idle. You're good. Eventually under
Goes
119.
5478 San Luis Ground, runway 29 taxi via Alpha.
And Sirius 5 and 4 Sierra Romeo is on a 4-mile final.
40 make a left 360, at least on a citation inbound on a right base entry.
Left 360, 514 Sierra Romeo. Alright, so left 360 we go.
Cool.
November 90 Whiskey, runway 29 clear for takeoff.
And we'll stay at 2100.
Perfect. Whiskey taking 29.
This is 773, taxi via Alpha to parking.
He's getting him out or in or what?
For 773.
Okay, so he'll go behind us?
We'll go behind the citation.
Got it.
This is the citation right here.
Oh.
Do you see a citation anywhere?
I don't see anything.
No? Cool.
I'm turning. I'm like, I don't even know where I am in that map.
Jenny!
Somewhere.
I don't
know
see
where I'm at in
anything.
that. I don't see
Runway
anything.
Golf Charlie, runway 29 clear to land.
Oh.
I don't see a thing. So, okay, so now he's right there. I got the citation.
Cool.
So he just said 1-360 or just keep going?
No, I said do a left 360. So this, the
This
assumption
means-
is, but I would slow way down, go idle.
1,800.
We're high and fast. Keep turning towards the runway.
There's another 39 Papa,
And I'd
San
go
Luis Tower,
flaps
make
50,
straight in, runway
and
29
then under
report
104.
final.
Alright, straight in for 29. Call you at 4th, right, Papa?
Good, and then no power until you get back on glide path. And then you could reintroduce the power to maintain whatever
Alright.
speed you want. Good.
San Luis Tower, Conquest 68850, Sierra 4500 inbound VFR.
American 2087 San Luis Ground, runway 29 taxi via Alpha. Conquest 6885 Sierra San Luis Tower, continue straight in, runway 29 report 4-mile final.
Continue straight in 29, report 4-mile final 85
When this diamond is in the center,
Sky with 47.
that's when you're on glide path.
5,000,
Okay.
descending 4,500 for the visual 29.
Goes 4765 San Luis Tower, roger, report turning 6-mile final.
We'll report 6 miles, Sky with 4765.
Crew track 136 San Luis Ground, clear to Carlsbad Airport via the Creep 3 departure. Morro Bay transition, direct San Marcos
It
as
did
filed.
not clear us to land
Maintain
yet, so-
4,000. Expect 9,000 5 minutes after departure. Santa Barbara departure frequency will be 127.72, squawk 4652.
Give it a little slip.
is there, so it's
Left rudder,
and
right aileron.
Oops,
Yep.
Here we go.
Air
Sorry.
track 136, read back correct.
Keep coming down towards the
November
runway.
8 Golf Charlie, taxi via Mike and Juliet to the ramp. Good day.
Mike and Juliet, we'll see you 8 Golf Charlie.
November 40 Romeo, runway 29 clear to land.
29 clear to land, 5140 Romeo.
Tower
Okay.
Bonanza,
Keep her
9
slip in.
4 mile final tune.
That's Papa number 2, following traffic on a 1 mile final, runway 29 clear to land.
Traffic inside, ramp up.
Alright. Gas gauge is good.
500.
Conquest 68 Sierra, keep your speed up. Traffic's on a 2 mile final. You're number 3, runway 29 clear to land.
29 clear to land, number 3, and we'll go fast, 850.
Good. Now you can straighten out. And take it away. It'll be a right turn off the runway.
Yeah.
Air track 136, your readback was correct. Runway 29 taxi via Alpha.
Power all the way out, point down to the pavement, and bleed.
Sky was 4765. You're following a Conquest on a 4 mile final.
Looking for that Conquest. Sky was 4765.
Oh my gosh, you're so good. Wow. Jenny? Wow.
November 40 Romeo, where are you going to park?
ACI jet.
ACI jet, 40 Romeo.
Ezra, can you make that first right there at Foxtrot?
Negative.
Negative, 5140 Romeo.
Okay, no delay off at Echo. Traffic close and trail.
We'll exit Echo, 5140 Romeo.
There's 40 Romeo, Roger. Taxi via Echo and Alpha to parking.
Echo and Alpha to parking, 5140 Romeo.
Good.
Oh,
There we
he's
go.
Right behind us.
It's all good. It's his problem. If he batch them too close, he'll tell them to go around. We need to be safe, and we won't ruin the airplane.
And
Good
Alpha.
work. Good. Clear on the left.
Clear on the left and the right.
Beautiful. Jenny, that landing, wow. Wow, Jenny.
That's a 39 Puppy going back to west side.
Yeah, Mike to the fuel pump, ramp up.
39 Puppy, Roger. Taxi Echo, Mike to fuel. Good day.
Echo Mike to fuel, good day, ramp up.
Jenny, nice work.
Sky was 4765. Traffic will be an Embraer departing prior to arrival. Runway 29 clear to land.
29 clear to land. Sky was 4765.
Lots of SkyWest out of here today.
Wow.
Oh, that's a Horizon. Horizon.
Do you come here?
Scott, yeah, every once in a while. And then once you turn in, they should show you where they want you to park.
Okay.
And the fuel truck's right there anyway. That was a beautiful landing, Jenny. Yep, you see them? I want you to follow them, the little car.
Yep.
Nice. Just straight in front of him. Beautiful.
Echo 65 Sierra, taxi to west parking. Good day.
Stop.
Beautiful.
Huh?
This is made, his attitude is like, stop. I love it.
And Sky was 4765. Appears center bar.